Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to cancel a RIA money transfer step by step. Whether you changed your mind or sent money to the wrong person, this will help you stop the transaction before it's completed. Let's get started. Step 1. Before canceling, make sure the transfer hasn't been paid out or completed. If the recipient already claimed the money, cancellation is no longer possible. Step 2. Log into your RIA account and go to the Activity or History section. Look for the specific transaction you wish to cancel. Step 3. Select the transaction and check if the Cancel Transfer button is available. Click it, then follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to select a reason before finalizing. Step 4. Once canceled, you'll receive a confirmation message. If you used a card or bank transfer, the refund will automatically be sent back to the original payment method. This process can take up to 10 business days. Bonus tip: if you don't see the cancel button or need help, you can talk to RIA customer support directly. Visit their website, scroll down, and select Chat with Us. And that's how to cancel your RIA money transfer the easy way. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides. See you next time!